simply want more.
Absolutely. More giveaway to come. Thank you so much. We wouldn't be here without every single of you. So thank you so much for the love and support. And if your first time using our condensed glue gel, it's really thick density, so don't worry, just blending it really nicely and it's go really right into the nails. So because you know, if you know exactly where you place your crystals, so then you can place in there, but you know me, I always bling it out more than I usually. So I'm covered this whole entire nails because basically I do all of them. Like, do you want the same designs? Hello customer? Clients? Isabella, clients, slash daughter, slash assistant, and
Too much splash.
okay. So next is gonna be wrong one. Matte top coat, no white top coat. We need this, not matte top coat. Oh, touch it, and this will cover completely over the top of condensed glue gels. Thank you, Maya. I know. Do you want to give me different colors? No, different the crystals. You want to see different designs than the other one? This one is bigger, so I can whoop. So floating on the top of unclear condensed glue gels. Chandelier. Do you want me to do the chandeliers again? With crystals. Maybe silver. Maybe silver.
I don't know what chandeliers are.
Okay. We're gonna probably doing a silver one. I have gold one on mine, but silver is go with Isabella nails because we get shimmering silver. So I'm gonna move right in the center, right here, because I want to dress it up a little bit here on her beautiful cute nails.
Just a bit.
Sorry.
There you go.
Sorry, Instagram. We got right back with you. I'm finding the good size for it. And this is size SS12.
Bring over just a bit. There you go.
Sarah Singh 17 asks, how come you use condensed glue gel and no white top coat? Does it help the jewels stay on longer?
Yes, it does. It's cup hold and tie the condensed glue gel. It's help not only it's clear, it's really well. Also, it's anchored down the base of the crystal, so when you finish it, it's gonna be completely dry, so you don't have to worry about going to any edges of the crystal and top coat it. If you top coat over the crystals, it's gonna really affect the crystal, the cut and the shine of it. So if you're doing it the condensed glue gels and then no white top coat on the top, so when you're done, it pretty much is done, and then you just need to using precision glue to fill in all the cracks, gap, and the edges. So beautiful, Isabella. You like it?
Yeah, but I'm tired.
You tired? Yeah,
I
no.
woke up at 2:36 p.m.
Yeah, no doubt, because it's late now. But you got a beautiful nails done. Congratulations.
Yay.
She worked hard to earn her nails. I told ladies that you pay me for the Christmas nails.
There you go.
Now she can't pay, she poor, so she work for it, but what she work for it in the
You
Christmas
haven't paid me yet.
Your nails.
So you got your cake pop, you got your frappuccino, you got your drink, you got a lot of stuff.
You
And
guys said you
nails.
would pay me.
Hmm?
Oh, you didn't.
No.
Well, so that's why. You earn over the summer, you got yourself a new phone.
Seem like a good
Amy
deal.
Capellian asks, you have all that decorations online?
Yes.
Yes.
So if you want a chandelier or any of our metal art,
Chandelier.
definitely go into our metallic charm or metal charm. So on the drop down menu, you should see the meta section. Go in there, there's plenty of things for you to play with.
Different section. And oh, this quick funds remind you the neon pigment is back in the stock right now. So if you ladies want to stock it up, because it's hard to find that neon pigments, and everybody is in moods of spring and summer nails. So check that out before they are all gone. So I'm really obsessed with nails. I'm gonna dress it around with this. Isabella, can you stay still for a second, please? Oh, they're so cute. You like it, Isabella?
Yeah.
And I have SS4 on my size. I'm gonna dress this a little bit fancy since she had her thumbs has more space for me. On the other hand, I'm sorry, it might be too dark because I covered my thumbs on it.
Bring it over a bit there. That's good.
That's good. Because it's hard because of her thumb though.
Oh,
Alright.
it's bling down. That's
Is
really
it
pretty.
cute?
Yes.
If you want to bling this one out, you can bling completely out. I put the beads inside. You can also put the beads outside as well. It looks so cute. One beads came out.
So Isabella, while you're looking at your new nail, give it your thought.
What?
You look at that. What do you say? What do you like it?
No.
How you? Huh?
I said yes.
You said no.
No.
What you like it? What?
Did you say no?
I said yes.
There you go. Good girl.
What? Her nails? You don't like it? I'll take it off.
No, she's super bling out. She love it.
Isabella, you'll have to sit still, fun. Okay, so now you can see that the excess glue, because I teal her nails down. In the top coat, I'm going to give it really good wipe on just right here to keep the shape nice and precise. Just the excess condensed glue gels and a top coat. Before, I think it looks like crooked to me, or maybe just because I'm holding her hand
Move this down a bit.
a little bit. This looks too busy, yeah? All right, so let me see if I get her right on the side. Super cute. You like it, Isabella? You want anything else?
No.
All right, so now we're gonna keep the thumbs in flat. Let me see this hand.
Oh, actually.
No, make sure it's not running.
Try to keep it straight.
And then about 10 seconds, you put the clients in right straight in, and about 10 seconds, you're gonna have the clients just tilt back and forth.
There you go. So to back. Actually, tell you what, just keep it. Yeah, keep it stable. You tilt the line and go
I'm gonna take this off so then you can see my nails if you're first time tuning in.
Alright, pull back for a second. Mommy can show her now.
And here's a chandelier. It's a gold. If you're interested in that set, I'm so obsessed with this because it comes with the gold and the silver. So you can do in the gold theme or silver. Looks either way cute. This is, I did it the other day for you ladies who want to see me doing my nails.
I do believe it's still on IGTV.
Yeah, it's still on
Check it.
IGTV. Hey, thanks so much, Miss Debbie. Debbie did really amazing work on her crystal placement and stickers and everything. It's really well done, Debbie. I really absolutely love it. It's so beautiful in combination together. So I am going to using a precision glue, and I am going to using it. What it does is I'm so pleased with this because a lot of our clients love so many bling, and before it looks feel good right now, it dry, but sometimes if they are catching on the hair or the clothes, they might tempting like, oh, I love it, but it keep catching on my hair, or when I might take care of my kids or brush their hair, it keep running through, or like, or if I do things, it just keep catching on it. So here's a solution. It's amazing. I love it. I gonna check all the edges. I feel scratchy right here. So you're gonna do, I'm not squeezing anything out yet. I'm gonna do like, use this to just like do a little exam, and I feel like scratchy right here, and I see the cracks right here. So I'm gonna just squeeze just a little bit. You can see that, just that much. Little go a long way. Hi, Suho.
I think sometimes it's bad.
And then I'm gonna seal it right here so it's not catching on her hair or her clothes. And just really go to all the edges, especially the chandelier is so beautiful. I want to make sure that that is sealed completely so she can wear and sit back and relax and ensure that this will stay, because if it keep catching, it's gonna really easy to like coming off. So this will not happen to her. You see me, so when I have my nails take off, like I just took her nails off earlier, almost like, oh, I'm gonna show you later, it's still on, except the one that she broke herself. What did you doing to broke that nails, Isabella? You did. So now it looks really good and perfect. You can't really tell, like, but some of the spot I'm seeing a little bit extra here. I am going to using the tinted brush on the side, and then just give it a little
Ladies, could you
slice.
shout up in the comment if you still see us live? Because it seems like somebody got connection issue.
Great. So now you're gonna key it for 60 seconds.
All right, go ahead and camp out.
Yeah, it says no internet connection.
Thank you, Foxy.
Just do it.
Diamond. Hi, Suo. Thank you. And make sure you don't lose this red cap. It's gonna lock your needles so that it keep it from clocking and also spilling. So I always have this on my side, my stations when I'm doing it, so it saves so much. And then little bottles go a long way and it'll last you a long time. So, and also you can do it if you want to little crystals on it. Let me see the other ones. And then here's a pink and white ombre. I just like touch my hand, but it's like, and that's what I have it for Isabella's hands on this one. Touch of colors. And I did two so you can see that the option with no frames on it. And the other ones is with, great, they're all done. And we just need to put some cuticle oil on. Just a little bit, and before you take a picture for your clients. This one done. I like this one a lot on her. Right here.
Put your hand together. Show the set.
Let me see.
Oh my god.
Just close it like that. And then sometimes if the client's touching, you just need to using a little bit alcohol and clean all that residues off. So we did this one with the frames encapsulating crystals. And I did some ones with ombre. You can do it ombre look, or you can do a full nails look. And this one you encapsulating with the ombre, with the pinky. It's really simple, quick, easy set for you to play and to take care of your clients. Here you go.